Good night, YouTube. Good night. Yes, tonight's dinner is going to consist of striploin steak with scallops, baby bok choy, black radish, cucumber, purple cabbage, and the healthy choice here is the wild rice. Yes, that's wild rice. It's been boiling for about just 45 minutes. You can see the kernels have popped. We tend to like it a little bit on the firm side. Therefore, some others recommend boiling the rice for about 25 to 40 minutes or 2 hours, but that's way too long. To me, 30 to 35 minutes, 45 minutes max is ideal because you want to more or less boil it so it can be as soft and tender. And technically, it is a grain, not a rice. Just to point that out, high in magnesium, B6, folate, magnesium, phosphorus. Very good healthy option than opposed to white rice or boiled rice alternatives or pasta, So in the meantime, what I'm going to be doing is just cutting up the steak into strips. The scallops have already been seasoned with just olive oil, baby thyme, salt and black pepper, and a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. So those have just been seasoning for about 25 minutes. Baby bok has been prepared, and the wild rice is also finished. That's just need to be strained and ready for plating. So what I'm going to do now is just turn up the stove here on the on my cast iron. Cast iron really retains lots of good moisture, not moisture, the heat retention. So therefore, it's going to cook really within minutes. So bear with me. I'm just trying to do a solo here with between camera and plating and cooking. So I'm just going to put down the camera. You'll be able to see all the ingredients going into the pan. And once things get, hopefully you can see it over there. I'll just do the zoom a bit. Wonderful, wonderful. Okay. So in the meantime, I'm going to be out of camera. Yes, that's me. That's my hand. Yes. I'm going to be cutting up the striploin steak, the two of them, into strips. So then I'll be frying the steak first. Let me just add some extra virgin, some grapeseed oil. It's not really necessary, but I just like to cook with grapeseed oil. It's so much more healthier, a lot better than the heavy vegetable oils out there. So I'm just going to cut up this steak, cut it up into strips, and we should be ready in no time whatsoever. This is an ideal meal for a Saturday night. We have meat just roughly once or maybe twice for the month. But when we do select, it's either ribeye or striploin steak. That's the only two types of meats that we do eat. A lot of times it's mostly vegetables and fruits and nuts. So this one steak has been completed, and then I'll show you just a quick review. Yes, the pan is hot, ready to go. So this is literally going to take just moments to prepare. So I'm just cutting up the steak. I'll give you a preview of what I've done so that you can get an idea of what I'm doing here. So the cutting up of the steak, the striploin. Okay. Right, so that's done. Let's rinse the hands very quickly. Yes, this is what it looks like. Stripped up, cut up into little strips, what have you. Right, okay. So now the pan is hot. You can see the smoke coming out. Yes. So we'll add a little red onion. Right there. This is the remainder of the steak. cover on it. And in the meantime, what I'm going to be doing is just plating the salad. Okay, so you hear that sizzling along? We've got just a little bit of baby bok for the salad. The baby bok, the purple cabbage, slices of black radish, cucumbers, yes, you may remove the lid. Let's push up spoons here. Now the retention of the heat from the cast iron is absolutely fabulous. It gets a good sear on your meat. It beats dining out by far. So we'll cook that along. That's going to take roughly 7 to 9, 10 minutes tops for the cooking time on the steak. But to speed things up, I'm just going to cover it again. Trap all that heat, and I'll be back in 2 minutes. Okay, let's give that another check again. Another little quick stir. I'll just give you a little closer view. See what it looks like. Okay, good. So while that's cooking, we've already plated the salad in the meantime. Let's check this. Okay, I think we're oh yeah, steak is being cooked. You can see the amazing colors. The steak there is being cooked nicely. Caramelized red onions. Let's get those scallops in now. What I'm going to do is just plate the wild rice in the meantime while those are getting cooked there. Cover it again just to keep the moisture, the flavor in, so that for when you do that, by putting the lid on, the scallops are going to really retain its flavor. It doesn't escape. See those nice golden brown? I don't know if you can get that on the camera, but let me just give you a quick zoom. But the color is just fabulous. See the coloring on the scallop? Oops, come back here. Yes, come back here. Yes, yes. So it's scallop, steak, there's a little bit of wild rice, and a bok choy salad. Let those cover those up. You want extra? Okay, so I think this should be all done now. Oh, look at that steak. Steak's finished. Scallops are finished. Go in and plate these right about now. Let me just grab my towel because this pan is going to be really hot. Take off the stove. Oops. Okay, so that's all served. This is what the finished product looks like. We've got the steak here with the wild rice and the salad and the little baby scallops. Okay, so there you have it. Wild rice with bok choy salad. Hope you enjoy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Peace. Have a good one. See you in the next video. I usually post weekly, so stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Thanks.